Counting?
Yeah, it's counting.
Oh boy. I'm glad I didn't fucking hit that hard. I was gonna fly, I would have ate shit. Did it just come off or break?
No, come on, yeah, go ahead and ride for a little bit.
left there. Yeah, you know those big like giant walls on the back side? I tripled it. Did all three as like a 100-foot gap. You missed it. But the GoPro footage accidentally deleted, so I can't show it to you for proof, so sorry. But I did it, just take my word for it. Nah. I was feeling really good out there. I was actually hitting all the jumps that weren't like out of, you know, for that you couldn't hit on a pit bike, like the big tabletops towards the end.
Yeah.
I was hitting those.
Clearing them?
No, not even close. But I was getting there. What's up, guys? Just leaving Honda Hills. I've never been on a big track that big, so I don't know, it was something different, definitely different. But hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. I'll be trying out different tracks, probably come back into here. I got a race coming up, so I'll be posting the footage from that. Probably have to do a chest mount though, probably won't let me do a helmet mount, but that'll be coming up. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe, check out the channel. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.